Hi and welcome to this short segment of Maths exam questions on quadratic equations. Question 13. For the given quadratic equation, find the value of a and the value of b. For this question, we'll need to begin by expanding the x plus a square expression on the right-hand side of the equation. Next, we'll need to arrange both sides of the equation based on its orders of x, namely x to the order of 2, followed by x to the order of 1, and then x to the order of 0. Having done so, we can correctly move on to perform the matching of the numbers associated with each order. For this question, it applies for x to the order of 1, where we can state that 2a is equal to 4. And as for x to the order of 0, we can state that a squared plus b is equal to minus 9. The first pairing of 2a equals 4 will solve for a being equal to 2, and by inserting this value into the equation a squared plus b squared equals minus 9, we can get to b as minus 13. Question 15. Expand and simplify the given expression. For this question, we shall expand both the expressions x plus 1 times x plus 2 and 2x times x minus 3, then sum each of the orders of x in an independent manner. Next, the difference between the areas of the two rectangles is 62 cm square. Show that x squared plus 2x minus 63 is equal to 0. What is said here is to take the multiplication of the length and width components of the larger rectangle and subtract it by the multiplication of the length and width components of the smaller rectangle and equate this to 62. Next, you'll expand on both the expressions, simplify it to obtain what is required to be shown. Next, factorize the stated expression. We should come to the product of x plus 9 and x minus 7. Next, solve the equation to find the difference between the parameters of the two rectangles. With the factored expression being equated to 0, x is 7 and not minus 9, as minus 9 is a negative integer and does not apply here. And with x equals 7, the difference in parameters can be calculated as being 20 cm. Next question. Solve by factorization the given equation. Through factorization, r is 1.8 or 0.5. Question 20. Solve the equation showing all your workings and give your answers correct to 2 decimal places. For this question, we'll be equating 3 as a, minus 2 as b, and minus 10 as c into the quadratic formula to arrive at the 2 required x answers. That's all for this segment. Do get into our other videos under KT Tutorial channel if you've liked this.